Okay, we're at Pop Century and this is our renovated room. This is our first time in here. Okay. This bed pulls out and lays down on the floor. And here's the second bed. And they're nice and roomy. I believe these are queen size beds. This is our bathroom. And it has a sliding door. It used to have a curtain. Now it's a sliding door for privacy in the bathroom. We've got some hooks right here if you want to put your purse or coats up there. This is a walk-in shower. Really nice walk-in shower. I stood and took a shower for the longest time last night. And as you can see, there's the shower head and another shower head. It's really nice. It's got sliding doors rather than shower curtains, which I really like. It's got a little place there for your supplies, and then they offer you, for your convenience, the bath wash, the shampoo, and the conditioner. And here we have a closet, not a very big one, but however, it is a closet with some cubbies. We have our shoes and our toiletry bags in there. Here's a magnifying glass mirror, which is really handy. And we have some cubbies underneath the sink here. All these little cubbies all over the place, really nice. Here's the drawer here with the ironing board. And I use this hook here to put my toiletry bag up, which is really nice and nifty. Now, the bed that you saw that was down, you can put it up if you want extra space. And the chairs they're being used right now for our suitcases, but you can slide the suitcases under the bed. There's plenty of space under there.
Bring it down. You can show them.
And so when you walk into the room, originally the bed is up, and now you take it down and you have another queen size bed.
You can show this. Here.
They have a nice big TV. We're not sure if it's a 55-inch or if it's a 65-inch, but it's a nice big one as opposed to the small one that they had. There is a safe down here and some cubbies. We have some drawers here. And then over here, we have some more cubbies up here. Coffee maker. The drawer with supplies for coffee, creamers, tea. They have plugs in our Pop Century room all over the place. It's so convenient. See here. Look there. Out there on the counter. Nice big counter space. One over there by the phone. There's some more over here. Everybody gets plugs. Thanks for watching. Okay, I just did the room tour, so this is an outside tour of our hotel at the Pop Century. And we're sitting outside in the outdoor bar lounge having breakfast, and this is the pool.
And then over there is where the food court is.